Well, she cleaned up pretty good. What I want to do first is fix my crap. Oh, I want to get that screw out that I put in. See how it's just grazing the gear? Right there. I want to take it out and either drill it so the screw can sink in, you know, or remove it, put it in backwards where it, you know, won't hit anything, or put some damn, what do you call it, rivets in it. I may have to do like one on each side. I don't think I have anything that long. Just be long enough. Just barely. Let's try that. So hopefully that's going to hold up. It should. Didn't make it, you know, made it to the other side. Let's go with that first. But then after squeezing it in and popping it, you know, it's more inside. But I mean, it's not like there's 50 pounds of tension on it or anything. Oops, I can't put that handle down yet. What am I talking about on here? She's in there tight now, baby. Alright, the friggin' gear fell back there. That's a major pain in the ass. Trying to dig that puppy out. But shouldn't have any more rubbing. Get her all back together. Oh man, this thing is in no man's land back there. Major pain in the butt. Especially when you can't see. Yeah, but it's gotta be turned in the right friggin' direction, or you're screwed. If you do this, just stuff something back there first. Put a rag in there, do something, because you know, another waste of frickin' time. It's, you know, and like I said, if you don't have this thing turned in the right position to take it out, you can't get it out. Last time I did this, came out pretty quick. Dear Lord, outboard gods, somebody. There we go. Woo, look at it. Popped right up. It's almost in perfect position. Thank you, outboard gods, dear Lord, whoever finally looked down upon me. Uh-oh, don't lose it. That wasn't too bad. Oh, God. She's in there tight. Let's tighten her down. All right. Now, we got to get the handle. Come back down. Perfect. Thank you, outboard gods. Pain in the ass. All right, let's see where we're at. Boom, baby. No, nothing's hitting. It's a little stiffer than I would hope for. It still, to me, seems too tight. I like it, you know, a little bit firm, tight like that, because it's like a, you know, cruise control. Hey, it sounds like it's grabbing up here at the handle. Hear that? Let's see if I can get a little something in there. That's not helping anything. Sounds like it's sticking on this piece of plastic. That's loose though, so it can't really be sticking on it. Man, that's just, I don't know, it's just a little too stiff, if you ask me. Man, I just don't like that. What's going to make it looser? Different handle, maybe? I got other handles. I hate to tear that thing apart. Again. I'm going to turn this off. I'll take the handle off. If I find anything, I'll be back on. All right. This is the original black handle. Couldn't get that black and white one on, or the white one, whatever you want to call it. So I looked at this real deep. Ooh. And inside here, you know, it was just a bunch of buildup and crap from over the years. And, you know, this piece too, same thing. If you looked at it real close, plus there you can see these little scratches in it and stuff. So I took some steel wool, cleaned them both up. Now look. Oh yeah, baby. Much sweeter. Look at that. No noise. You know, it still has that little bit of, you know, you don't want it real sloppy. Still has that little bit of, you know, like if you know, want cruise control. But, you know, I'm thrilled to death now. I like it like that. So that's freaking done. Where's that oil at? There it is. This is what came out. The oil and water mix. It's almost a 50-50. You know, it was almost as much water as there was oil in there. And more than likely, it's probably the top seal. There are two seals up in there. They, you know, it used to be one, and then they put two in, back to back kind of thing. The prop is a piece of junk. It's not even, I don't think it's worth even trying to use it at all. I have to look around, see if there's anything on eBay, cheapo. I've got some old props up here, but I don't think they're probably too old. This thing's supposed to have some splines in it, you know, like this. Boy, that'd be sweet if that fit on there. But I don't think it's going to. Oh, let's see what we got here. Let's take it off. Maybe I can beat it up a little more. Back into shape. Look at that, man. They just beat the hell out of this thing. Holy schmoly. Where, you know, where in the hell did they take this thing? It's not too bad. It might just clean up. You know, just graze these down to grinder. This one's got a little bend in it up here. Oh, this one's got even more of a bend. That's nothing though. This one looks good. This would be the guide. You know, look at this one. Copy this one. Copy that one. A little beating and grinding, baby. She might just work. Yeah, I almost want to just fire it up, put some oil in it. Fire it up first. That way too. See if the pump's running, but I'll be able to tell by looking at it. So that's next. Take this off, I guess. Do it the way I always do it. Let's place some, oh man, that pump does look new. Looks good. You know, too, as far as the, not linkage, but leakage. You know, these oil fill drain hole screws. It'll leak right through there if them things loosen up on you. Oh, come on, shaft. Why didn't my drive shaft come out? I would rather have it come out than work on it like this. Here she comes. Much better. Why? Huh. Look at this old black sooty exhaust. What the hell is going on? I guess it's in neutral, but something weird going on. There it goes. I think. Yeah, this prop is spinning now. The shaft. Let's pull this freaking pump off and see what's going on in there. Greasy. Man, that nasty. That's where it's probably leaking, those seals. Where's the little frickin' shamalama ding dong? Did I drop it inside when I pulled this thing out? What the hell's going on? I don't think you can do that. I mean, pull it out while it's in there. You know what I mean? No, it's not that little nylon thing, because look at it's more of a pin. See that mark in there? I don't know if you can see it. Something got rubbed around in there. The grommet looks fantastic. Good God, it looks new. Gasket looks good. Oops, spoke too soon maybe. Wow. Yeah, a little sealer on that to save that gasket, I'm sure. I ain't worried about that too much. Yeah, you see this mess in here? This is probably the problem. Alright, so where... There ain't nothing in there. Where's the pin? It couldn't have dropped in there. Or could it? There ain't nothing in there. Yeah, that's two seals. They just, you know, they look like shit. Look at this, it's all nasty. It shouldn't look like that, taking this off. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to let this sit somewhere and finish draining. I'm going to go check the schematic and see. See, I can see marks on here. See what the hell it is. I probably have one. I know I got a bunch of these laying around. So yeah, I'm going to check the schematic and get some lunch and ding-a-ding-a-ding-dong. Maybe go ahead and order a couple of those seals up. Even if they're not leaking, you know, still just general maintenance, call it. Find out what pin that is. I'm not real worried about this stupid gasket. I might even have some laying around. I didn't even think about that either. All the stuff that's been given to me, I've barely even gone through it, so I don't have a real big, you know, inventory in my brain telling me what I got and don't got. So I know I got a whole bunch of these, though. Yeah, let's go look at the schematic. So I checked the schematic, and of course there was supposed to be a pin in there. I guess it got lost or something. Oh, I sure would like to fire that thing up. I've got a way to do it. I've got a hose that I put a clamp on it, and you just clamp it to the water tube. I don't know if it's worth doing all that, or... Well, let's see what's going on. I bet I got all the friggin' parts I need in here. All right, so I just double checked those seals, and yeah, they're no good. Just squeeze a little bit in there like that. If they were good, and you drop this puppy in, it should stop because of the pressure. The air pressure, you know, if you push it down, it will go and pop back up because of the pressure in there. This one's not doing anything. Plus, when I first did it, you could see as soon as I pushed it all the way down, you could see air bubbles passing through, you know, right past the grease. So they got to come out. So I'm going to look around through all this stuff, man. I got all that free donation stuff. Man, there's so much crap in there. I might have this 2 seals, save myself 25, 30 bucks. The pin for this impeller should have one laying in there, I'm hoping. You could pretty much make one. It's just a little stainless steel pin. So before I jump on there and order anything, that's what I'm going to do, look around in here. Well, there it is, a perfect match, except this has got the shim type instead of the pin type. Will that work on that drive shaft? That's what when I first saw it, that's what I thought it was. I don't know if it'll work. Let's try it and see. What the hell? Might even work better. Come on. Just a hair. It seems to me it should slip right on. But I just can't get it on there. Wait a minute, here it goes. It's moving. Yay, there it is. It's perfect. Look, it's the way it's supposed to be. A little, you know, just like that. I don't care, you know, like I said, pin, shim, I don't care. As long as she works. Is this the same? Yeah, it's got to be the same. Yep, same length. Let's see if she fits in here all right. Is this in the shot? You haven't been able to see any of it, have you? It's on there. I need a camera lady. Still in gear. I don't see any reason why this ain't gonna work. But I'm gonna use it just like it is. Look at, I got this all nice and shined up. See, when you put these things together, you're flipping something, people see that, they go, ooh, look how nice that motor looks. Oh Lord, did I hit pay dirt here? No. Damn, man. 25 horse. These look too big. Wait a minute, that one. Hold on. These look too big too. Let's see. Seal kit, Gearcase. 396, 351, 25 horse. What ear? It's got to be around this year. Yeah, that goes to that other fragga schmagga. This looks about wrong. That's too big. Please be right. Please. Please be the right one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we in business? Are we in friggin' business here? No, that's too big. Son of a gun, man. It's too fat. And even though this is a 20 horse, it's the same friggin' Gearcase as a 25. Damn, man. How can I be so close yet so far away? Look at this. I bet you she fit. Oh, no, too big. Oh, man, so close. Keep digging, baby. Keep digging. There's a nice one. Look at it. It ain't been stretched out. Great condition. Wow. But I need seals. Seals. Keep looking. I'm making progress. Also, tons of good stuff in these bins back here. And then I just found this stuff. Look at this seal. It's like a, double seal. And it looks like it might fit in there. Look how fat it is. And then, isn't that the pin that should go in there on the old impeller? Are they that short? I think they are. I don't think they're real long. Too late now, but let's see if this frickin' thing is gonna match up over here. That'd be cool as hell. I'll throw it in there. I don't care. Save myself $30. It looks like the same overall diameter. Now, let's see. Man, if that ain't a fit, might not be. But it might be. Let's see what it does on this shaft. Oh, baby, I'm already liking it. Oh, yeah. It's snug as a bug in a rug. I don't have a problem using this if it fits. Let me just pull one of these out real quick. It's a pain in the ass, but it's got to get done sooner or later. I usually drill a hole in them, throw a screw in there, and pull them out, and blah, blah, blah. He's a pretty bragger smegger. Stay on there. There she went. Will it fit? Oh Lord. Oh Lordy. I think it's gonna work. I think she's gonna work. I mean, once it goes in, it ain't coming out unless you beat the hell out of it. Wow, I'm not gonna put it in because I'm not done searching everything, but it'll work. Look how tight that is. Yeah, I could feel it. The suction pressure on it. Like I said, I'm not doing it till I search everything. This is all working out good for me. you know, clean up, organize somewhat, finding parts, saving money. I think it's going to work. If it don't work, it don't work. Not a biggie. It's just a seal, baby.